Hey again guys, and welcome back. Today I want to put together this kit here. This has been sent in by Adeept, and I want to take a look on how much value you get for this. If you want to get your own, there's going to be some links in the description below. This was sent in by Adeept. They didn't charge me for this, but they're not paying me, so I can say whatever I want. Let's take a look at what's inside. Piece of ribbon, okay, a little bit of foam. Ooh, hello. This is it's like when you get Legos and it comes with all the catalog of what other Legos. Ooh, fancy. Fairly high quality, like kind of thick sheets and nice pictures. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. They're like the size of 9-gram servos, but they're metal geared. Okay, got a big old thrust bearing. That's interesting. Roller thrust bearing. Oh, 2 more. That's 6 servos. This bearing alone, I think if I tried to buy one of these, it'd probably be like 15 bucks or something. 18650 holder for 2 18650s. USB cable, flat ribbon type. Interesting. A couple of suction cups. I hope this becomes clearer later on. Whole bunch of hardware. A servo extension lead. This must be the control board. Yep. So yeah, this looks either completely identical or nearly identical to the control board that another maker sent me, and he was saying it was from one of these kits too, which is great because he challenged me to build something with it, and I feel like this is nearly cheating, but I'm going to cheat anyways. So I'm going to put together this kit, and that'll help me figure out how this board works, and then I can make my own project based on it. Yes, one control board. The one I got from another maker had an OLED, so hopefully there it is. There's an OLED. Pretty complete kit, to be honest. There's the OLED. Okay, 4 pin, so it's I2C control. A whole bunch of laser cut parts. The worst part about laser cut parts is you have to peel the paper, but another maker actually has a solution for that I'll show you in a moment. We got a cable loom. We've got a very crappy screwdriver and a very crappy multi-wrench. And that looks to be everything in the kit. So I think the first things first is I'll unbag everything, and I'll show you the technique I'll use to remove the paper off these really fine little bits. So here's everything that the kit gives you, all sort of knolled out to the best of my abilities. I'm no Adam Savage when it comes to this. One thing I have to say is, compared to a robot kit that I've done before and compared to building my 3D printer, having these labels on all of the different hardware and every single piece in a different Ziploc is refreshing. But yeah, this is a pain in the butt when you have these tiny little pieces and you have to try to tear the paper off. There's a link in the description to another maker's video about this, but basically I have a tub of warm water in here, and basically you just put all your pieces in there and it'll soften the paper over time, and after a few minutes you can actually just rub it all off. Not that kind of rubbing off, get your mind out of the gutter. That's if you manage to get it all in there without spilling everything on the ground. So yeah, I'm going to give this some time to soak, and then I'll show you how easy it is to remove the paper. Another maker definitely said warm. I think this is bordering on hot water, but it's only been like, I don't know, a minute, and this is way better. This is like life-changing, the difference in peeling this paper off. You like for my 3D printer, I was thinking I was going to give up on peeling the paper. It was that bad. And then I was like, it's going to bother me forever. So I actually ended up peeling it all. But if I would have known that it was this easy just to soak it in warm water. Again, I think this water is a little hot. Might be deforming some of the thinner pieces. But yeah, definitely, this is the way to peel paper off of laser cut parts. And yeah, check out that video by another maker. It is very informative. He actually owns a laser cutter, something that I can only wish to have right now. And he's tried all sorts of solutions, and this is the best, and I have to agree, this works extremely well. Look at that. Just comes right off. But yeah, my tap in the basement here is near boiling, so maybe not that hot. But I'll tell you, soak your parts in water. I will bring you back when I'm done peeling. That was completely painless thanks to another maker. So now I guess I'm going to start assembling this. The instructions are available online. There's a link on the box, sort of like right there, to the instructions on this arm. It looks very straightforward. I don't think I'll have any issues with it, so I guess I'll do some sort of like speed up of me building this thing. I'll have the instructions off on my PC over there, and we'll see what it gives. Well, it looks like the assembly is completely done. I just want to note that there are a couple of pieces left. So these two here, and these are to replace this claw thing with a pencil. So you can actually put a pencil or a marker in these holes, and it's held in with a screw and bolt combo, or a screw and nut combo. They give you a couple of these pieces extra as well, and I think that's the same thing. It goes on here. I think so, at least. No, I don't think actually it goes there. I think this is just extra pieces in case you break some, which is good. I just need to upload the Arduino code now. Hopefully this thing is not going to power up with the servos active. Whoa, shit. It did. It's supposed to be off. Well, the arm is alive, that's for sure. I didn't think it would respond like this because I thought the power supply would be too weak, but okay, as long as it did it. So looks like my servos are working. They're all under tension. That's pretty neat. I'm going to upload the potentiometer code so that I can spin these pots and have it do something. Oh shit, it seems like it's already doing that. So I haven't put any code in here yet. Let's see. Oh. It looks delayed. So I spin it. Oh, you know, there might not be enough current available. I can try these other ones here. That works. Hear a snapping noise. I feel like this is rubbing here. They didn't ask me to put a shim on this servo, so maybe that's what that is. Grabber is working. Very interesting. Yeah, either something went wrong with this servo or there's just not enough power to power it. Okay, I'll undo this USB cable, get a reasonable power supply in here, and see if we can have some fun with this arm. Got my power supply hooked up. Not sure how long it'll last because these wires are just in there, little iffy. Turn this on. Does something. Oh, it's like has like a starting sequence. Oh, we're current limiting. Oh, that's not good. Let's up the current. Okay, 2 amps. That should be enough. Let's see here. Okay, that works. All right. So that's the little elbow joint here. This should be the shoulder joint. Whoa, a lot more current available. So this is all the way to one end. All the way to the other end, I assume, will slam into me on the other side. Yep. Whoop. Okay. Let's see if the bearing works now. No, it seems to be... Oh. Yeah, there we go. Seems like it won't go all the way to one end. Yeah, that one's a bit finicky. Yeah, it clearly wants to come more this way, so I'll have to figure out what's going on there. It's probably not that big of a deal. Let's see if it can pick something up. Now, they had me put this servo in the front with the wire hanging forward, so I really should cable manage this. They give you that loom, so I could run the loom sort of like off to the side like this, but I kind of like it when it's a bit of a mess. So I think I'll leave it a mess for now. Let's see if we can pick up something, I don't know, relatively light. Let's see. No guarantees, because this could be operator error too. So this is the jaws. Yep. Okay. This is the rotation. Keep that about centered. Drop this down. A little bit more. Oh. Open the jaw. Let's close. Open the jaw. Drop this down. Oops, wrong way. So this is all the way low. So you have to go from the elbow joint here. Okay. Not quite. I'm not sure if this will even be able to pick it up. Not enough purchase. Oh, no. It looks like my servo is offset a little bit. Maybe this is too tight as well. Let me just loosen up this. There we go. See if I can open it now. Okay. See if I can grab something like so. Okay. Oh, that's the tilt. Not quite enough force. Oh boy. That's not what I wanted to do. There we go. Open the jaws. Nope, not enough force. Doesn't really have the strength to pick it up. Let's try a piece of foam. Yeah, it's got that done. Oh boy. I went too far. So that's pretty cool. It's got a little bit of a delay. Gives you a chance to not be so much of a dum-dum. That's pretty cool though. I do like this thing. While you're watching me try to pick up this plastic container, I could say a couple of words about this kit. There are definitely a few finicky parts, but I guess most of which could have been resolved with using a higher quality screwdriver instead of the one included in the kit. Maybe a second pair of hands would have helped as well, but if you're planning on getting this for your kid, well, they may have trouble assembling this thing. I guess that's fine since they need to be kept busy anyways. It does come with a bunch of example code to make it do all sorts of stuff like drawing and stuff. I'll have to go over all that in a different video as this one is going long already. Overall, it's a really nice little kit. It's lots of fun, it's a good way to spend an afternoon, and I think with custom homebrew code, you can have over hours of fun with this thing. So check out the links in the video description to get your own, and I want to thank you guys all for watching.